Hello friends! Today on this channel I'll show what to do if Google Play isn't working on your Android phone. First go to Settings. Here we need to find Play Google Play, right? Here's Google Play Store. Today we'll need these two things, Google Play Store and Google Play Services. First, go to Google Play Store where we can remove updates and then try launching it. If that doesn't help, then clear the cache. To do this, go to Cache Storage and tap Clear Cache. Then try to log in again. Do the same with Google Services if that didn't work. So, with Google Play Services, again, remove updates and clear the cache. This should help. If that doesn't work, just restart your phone. To do this, press the power button and tap Restart. That was me. Hope this helped. Goodbye, everyone.